A Facebook business account may be restricted due to several reasons, including suspicions of hacking or compromise, failure to comply with Facebook's terms and policies, such as community standards, advertising standards, and commerce policy. Another reason could be not meeting the two-factor authentication requirements, which are in place for the safety of the business account. New business accounts may also face restrictions on daily spending or feature access until Facebook determines that the account consistently follows its policies. To troubleshoot a restricted account, log in and navigate to the Support Home menu. Then click on the Account Status Overview and select the restricted account. Look for the What Can You Do section and follow the recommended steps. If this section is not visible, there are no further steps to take at that moment. Requesting a review is also an option, allowing Facebook to assess the account and potentially reinstate it, a step that can be taken by account admins. By following these steps, it's possible to identify and address the issue causing the restriction.